Day 7 script. Full video 15 idioms. Channel AbhishekWithEnglish. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AbhishekWithEnglish. If you love learning English in a simple and real way, you are in the right place. Here, we don't learn English with tough grammar. We learn English from daily life, daily conversations, real situations, and real examples. Today is day 7, and today's idioms are again fresh, useful, and daily use. You will hear them in movies, chats, offices, and daily talks. So listen carefully, imagine the situation, and feel the examples. Now let's start today's idioms. Idiom 1. Get real. Explain. This idiom means to stop dreaming and be practical. Example. He planned a big trip without money. His friend told him to get real. Idiom 2. No strings attached. Explain. This idiom means without any condition. Example. He gave her help with no strings attached. Idiom 3. Make a scene. Explain. This idiom means to create drama in public. Example. He argued loudly in the cafe. He made a scene. Idiom 4. On a tight budget. Explain. This idiom means not having much money to spend. Example. He wanted a new phone, but he was on a tight budget. Idiom 5. In full swing. Explain. This idiom means something happening actively and fast. Example. The party was in full swing when they arrived. Idiom 6. A lifesaver. Explain. This idiom means something that helps a lot. Example. Cold water on a hot day is a lifesaver. Idiom 7. Tough call. Explain. This idiom means a difficult decision. Example. Choosing between two jobs was a tough call. Idiom 8. In the loop. Explain. This idiom means being informed or updated. Example. He asked his manager to keep him in the loop. Idiom 9. Hit the limit. Explain. This idiom means to reach the maximum point. Example. He worked all night. He hit his limit. Idiom 10. In the spotlight. Explain. This idiom means getting attention. Example. Her speech put her in the spotlight. Idiom 11. Show true colors. Explain. This idiom means to reveal real character. Example. During problems, people show their true colors. Idiom 12. Time will tell. Explain. This idiom means future results will show the truth. Example. He made a big plan. Time will tell if it works. Idiom 13. Cut someone off. Explain. This idiom means to interrupt while talking. Example. She was explaining. He cut her off in the middle. Idiom 14. On the bright side. Explain. This idiom means looking for positive things. Example. He failed the test, but on the bright side, he learned a lot. Idiom 15. Keep your cool. Explain. This idiom means stay calm in stress. Example. Everyone panicked. If you liked today's idioms, don't just listen, use them in real life. Because when you use English, confidence comes. And when confidence comes, English becomes easy. This is day 7, and we are learning every day. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to AbhishekWithEnglish, because tomorrow again, new English, simple English, real English. Learn daily, practice daily, and speak without fear.